Someone's here. Lock the doors. Someone will come in. Irina Nikolaevna is here, I know it. Please lock the doors. Let me look at you. It's so warm in here. So lovely. This used to be the living room. Have I changed a lot? I was afraid you hate me. Every night I have the same dream. You wake up, you look at me and you don't recognize me. If only you knew. From the moment I arrived, I've been coming here to walk by the lake. I've gone past your house so many times, but I couldn't bring myself to come in. Come. Let's sit down. Let's sit and talk. And talk. It's lovely here, isn't it? So warm. So safe. Do you hear it? Oh, the wind. There's a line in Turgenev that goes, "Lucky is he who on nights like these has a roof over his head, a warm place to sit." I'm a seagull. No, that's not it. What was I saying? Yes, Turgenev. And God watches over all homeless wanderers. Never mind. Never mind. It feels much better. Yes. So you've become a writer, after all. You're a writer and I'm an actress. We've drawn to the vortex, both of us. I used to be so happy. Blissful like a child. I'd wake up every morning and burst out singing. I loved you, I dreamed of fame. And now? Tomorrow morning it's early, it's off to Yelets. 3rd class with the peasants. And then in Yelets is the businessman with the little invitations. What a miserable life. I've taken the engagement there for winter season. It's time for me to go. My horses are waiting at the gate. Don't bother to come out. I can find my own way. Give me some water. Is Irina Nikolaevna here? Why do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so exhausted. If only I could rest. Just rest. I'm a seagull. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. Yes, that's right. So he's here too. Yes. Well, what does it matter? He never believed in theater, you know? He always laughed at my dreams. And little by little I stopped believing too. Lost my faith. And there were pressures of love, the jealousy, the constant worry about my little one. I became, I don't know, mediocre, pitiful. My acting made no sense anymore. I didn't know what to do with my hands, how to stand on stage, how to control my own voice. I'm a Seagull! No, that's not it. What was I saying? Yeah, I was talking about the stage. But I'm not like that anymore. I'm a true actress now. I perform with joy, with ecstasy. I am intoxicated on stage and I feel beautiful. And now, while I've been staying here, I've been walking and thinking. Thinking and feeling like how my spirit is growing stronger every day. And I understand, Kostya, that in our work, it's all the same. Whether we perform or we write. The main thing is not about the glory, not the glitter, no, not any of the things I dreamed of. It's having a strength to endure.